Hey, it's JC here at JC's Comics and More, your pop culture superstore, 6725 West Central Avenue. That's Toledo, Ohio, 43617 419 531 6097. JC's Comics and More at hotmail.com. And you can find the Facebook link in the description below. This is Tuesday night, November 16th. I got my DCs to get out, and I've got this here that came in from Penguin Random House. Also, a big collection, X-Men Volume 8. This is Uncanny X-Men 144 to 153, Annual 5, Avengers Annual 10, Bizarre Adventures 27, material from Marvel Fanfare 1 through 4. Plus, it's got cool stuff like that right there. Great Dave Cockrum artwork. Got some original art pieces in here. All kinds of neat stuff. What else? Let's see. Let's find the... There's the Avengers Annual. Let's flip to it here. Do they show the cover? Which was the first appearance of Rogue. So I have that available. That's $44.99. And look, they sent me, even for that small one item, sent me an invoice. Right. Okay. All right. Let's get these DCs taken care of. I got a lot of work to do yet tonight. If I'm lucky, I'll be out of here by 1. I already opened up this box just to make it easier. We've got this here. Again, got some air. Let's get these things opened up. Taken out. See if the rest of my Robins are in here. I was missing some Robins. Here we have cover A, issue 2. Yeah, issue 2. God, it seems like it should be issue 3. A refrigerator full of heads. Here's Nightwing 86. Nice House on the Lake 6. Cover B. Justice League 69, cover B. And Justice League, we gotta have more of these someplace. Oh, there's more of the refrigerator full of heads, cover A's. Justice League 69, cover A. Have you ever seen a what's a cover that screams nothing, that screams walk on past, nothing to see here, nothing to see here. This is so unimaginative. It's like they lost the original art, and somebody just said, do the least amount of work as possible. They did stick figures, and it's like, well, could you at least blacken in the stick figures? What a weak. That's weak. Come on, DC, you had standards. I'm going to grab another cover real quick of an old DC comic that's better than that. This, Sugar and Spike, is better than that. This says, I'll read you, I guess. Maybe never. This is like, this looks pretty fun. I'm going to read this. I'm going to read it and I'm going to enjoy it. It's like, let's see, read this or stab my eye full of sharpened pencils. Well, at least the sharpened pencils, I'll feel something. God. Just weak. Whoever you pay to do that artwork for, DC, You paid somebody to do that for you? Quick, put a hold on the check. Don't pay them. Unless, you know, did you, maybe you paid them in Snickers bars or something. Newbie at the Amazons, number 2, cover B on that. More basket full of heads. I mean, this says more than this. Boring. It's unimaginative. The person who did that, God, it's like he took something out of a coloring book. I need covers to help me sell the comics, DC, not to make people run and scream and hide the opposite direction. Here's Green Lantern number 8, cover B. This isn't much better, but at least there's something going on. Here's Green Lantern cover A. Who is John Stewart? Obviously, looking at the comic and looking who they have portrayed in there, maybe he looks a little bit better in this issue. But there's been issues of John Stewart. You can't even tell it's John Stewart. And who knows? The previous issue is supposed to have Kilowog, so maybe John Stewart's not even in that issue. It's issue 3, Batman vs. Bigby, A Wolf in Gotham, cover A. I'm sure there might be a cover B in here somewhere. Here's the Batman Secret Files, The Gardener, cover A. And again, really, really poor artwork. It's like a high school project. And first place is put your artwork on a DC comic. This is weak. I mean, this is as bad as the inside of Marvel Comics. A lot of Marvel Comics issues. The artwork. Come on, DC. You guys had good covers and good artwork. Now you're deciding to drop the ball. Guess we'll call you the Cleveland Browns. We expect better, and you do worse. Batman 117, cover B. Now that's a nice cover. Actually, something going in there. You actually want to pick that up and read that because you're like, hey, what the hell's going on here? You're committed, and you want to read that issue. Here's the rest of my Robins. From yesterday, we had this. We showed this yesterday. It's a 6-issue miniseries. It's cover A. And there's more. So that's all the rest of my Robins. Let me do a quick count here. Oh yeah, that's the rest of them. Good. Refrigerator full of heads. Cover B. It actually looks like truck grill full of heads. Maybe that's their next series. Truck grill full of heads. You heard it here first. Legends of the Dark Knight number 7. Cover B. Looney Tunes 263. Why didn't anyone ever think of this before? Let's see here. Nice House on the Lake. Let me pull some of these, put these in the right direction. Book 6. Nice House on the Lake. It's more of those Nice House on the Lakes. It's more of these unimaginative Justice League covers. I won't put you guys through the agony of seeing them again. That's crimes against humanity right there. Blue and Gold, number 4 of 8. Batman vs. Bigby, A Wolf in Gotham, number 3, cover B. Wolf eats a little robin. Okay. Flip these around, make sure these are all the same. Yes, they are. Batman 117, cover A. Aquaman the Becoming, number 3. This is 3 of 6. That's it for that side. Let me pull out of the other side. Okay, we've got some air. Air, wow. This came out of the other side. All of this air came out of the other side. Whereas I only had one come out of the previous side. This is horribly packed. Horribly packed. You've got this side up here. You've got the other side there. The person who backed this box, I hope you're watching. Lunar. This is a teaching moment for you. You fill this box up on one side, it's all the way full, and you got, looks like, well, we'll just pull them out. I'll pull them all out. You got that. And this. That's how much. How about you take some out of this side here, put it on the other side, so it's a little bit even. So it's a little more even. You know, so as you're picking up the box, it's not heavy on one side and stuff gets tossed around. That's pure idiocy. I know I wouldn't say it again, but must be that's who drew that's who worked on that. The person who drew this packed my box. Legends of the Dark Knight number 7. This is cover A. Wow. I don't know how to say it, but Packers at the distributor Diamonds Distribution Shipping Hub, you guys have been issued a challenge. You know, they can do it better than you. Newbie and the Amazons number 2, cover B. And here's the cover B of the Supergirl Woman of Tomorrow, number 5. And finally, the Day Glow Soul Plumber, number 1, second printing. If you do like these videos, as always, please be sure to subscribe to the channel, smash the bell, comment, like, and share. Don't forget to thank your comics retailer tomorrow for everything he does. I appreciate you watching us, and I appreciate everybody this past week that is coming in, buying some of those amazing Spider-Mans from that collection. Don't know what I'm talking about? Look at my videos. Man, the store was on fire on Saturday. 50 calls I must have at least. Guys calling from Canada, from Brooklyn, from California, from Missouri, just all over the place. There was a guy driving up from Georgia on Saturday. From Georgia. That beats the guy that drove from Minnesota or from Wisconsin. But other than that, thanks again. Remember, this is JC's Comics and More, your pop culture superstore. Thank you.